In a previous video, we discussed the many benefits of QRM, or Quick Response Manufacturing, and how it allows Crescent to streamline inefficiencies in both the manufacturing and day-to-day operations of our company. But what does this process actually look like in practice? Well, today we'll be looking at a complex manufacturing process that involves not only the traditional injection molding of 3 different components in a family mold, but also overmolding, insertion, ultrasonic welding, and inkjet printing. Without QRM, each of these steps would have been completed separately, meaning unfinished goods would often be boxed and stored while they await the next step of the process. But with a QRM cell, we can now complete every step of this process at once, meaning time to a finished good is reduced, we are able to better manage inventory, part production is more consistent, and most importantly, our employees take a greater pride in the parts manufactured in their QRM cell. Additionally, employees are cross-trained on each step of the manufacturing process, allowing us to dedicate labor, equipment, raw materials, and other resources to a specific product line as needed. We are also able to more efficiently schedule, therefore reducing and in many cases eliminating the downtime between certain steps of the manufacturing process that are carefully refined for optimal customer delivery. In this particular process, the 3 components are each injection molded in a family mold before being placed on a conveyor belt, which moves them to the next step. Next, the bottom and top halves are each placed into a second injection mold where they receive a TPE overmold. Now that we have 3 injection molded components, 2 of which have been overmolded, the post-processing steps can begin. First, the bottom half receives a brass insert via an ultrasonic welder. The top portion is also placed into a fixture where a clear window is ultrasonically welded into place. Finally, the top component is then placed into an inkjet printer, which can print multicolored images onto the surface of an injection molded part. This subassembly is then packed according to customer specifications before being shipped to facilities that will install electrical components and fully assemble this product, making it ready for the end user. This is just one of the many ways that Crescent is leveraging quick response manufacturing to streamline our company across the board. If you'd like more information on QRM, be sure to view our complete video on this unique method of manufacturing, and be sure to contact us to discuss whether QRM would be a good fit for your injection molded component.